North Dakota voters.
Yes, North Dakota voters will be deciding 6 measures on the November ballot. Measure number 3 deals with expanding the rights of crime victims. Opponents say such expansion is unnecessary.
Today they made stops around the state to argue their point. Valley News Team's Natalie Parsons has both sides.
Measure 3, or Marsy's law, proposes to give more constitutional rights to crime victims. But there's a growing opposition in North Dakota. Right now, 7 organizations, including North Dakota Trial Lawyers, the Victims Assistance Association, and retired district court judges, are against it.
That was never vetted through the legislative process, and it is a measure that prosecutors and defense attorneys alike see that there's more litigation problems in it.
And through a debate in the legislature, we could see what the pluses and minuses were. We'd also see what the costs involved.
Weefald, who is a former North Dakota Attorney General, says the provision is flawed with vague language, and the definition of a crime victim is unclear, making it difficult to enforce.
Victims is not defined, and the problem with that is you lose focus on those victims that really need the services, and you could have victims that traditionally wouldn't be thought of as a victim demanding services, and that would take away from the resources.
A big supporter of Marsy's law is North Dakota Chair Kathleen Wrigley, who is the wife of Lieutenant Governor Drew Wrigley. She issued a written statement which says, in part, the arguments our opposition make to these rights are the same arguments used against the women's right to vote last century. Clearly, the 19th Amendment was the right thing to do, just as Measure 3 is the right thing to do now. When we know better, we must do better. In Fargo, Natalie Parsons, Valley News Live.
Similar initiatives are being considered in Montana and South Dakota. It's called Marsy's Law after Marsy Nicholas, who was stalked and murdered by her ex-boyfriend. There's more information from both sides of this measure on our website, valleynewslive.com.